Millennium Excellence Week America 2026. Asantehene dodora Ghana hene bakope ABPM America. Na dwumadi obedinim ebini se on the 24th enedwoya Millennium Excellence dwumadi no bakoye golf MEA otumfuo golf straightly by invitation, and it's a serious one. Open so better than the golf skills a day. Yeah, so I did because of Arlington or Virginia. Another 25th, Royal Guest Lecture. Royal Guest Lecture because of Washington DC. Ukwada 26th of this month, the African Business Investment Summit. The African Business Investment Summit, because of Maryland. And it's over US. 29th, the Warner Theatre. Open so Jumedi Kesibi Febi the Warner Theatre. The Warner Theatre, Washington, DC. Na Nekasepa and the Crackrano. To cap it all. So open so the Bibia Bukone or so Obeshafa. Obedia Akwasidae, Bowie University. Bowie University, and it's for Maryland. And a tier function and so. When a name of phone tattoo you say Asantehene every day. From UK, Canada to USA. Asantehene every day. From UK, Canada to USA. Like I say, what's a funny boy UK? What's a funny boy Canada? What's a best funny boy USA? It been said that a big brim send a patuntum or hinibi. So Nigeria, so Sierra Leone, so Cameroon, Congo, Kenya, and yet Sub-Saharan Africa. Sub-Saharan Africa, he be say, Washafa or UK. Kesepa or Grand Deba, Wasashibu or Canada, or say Beshebu America. Ebinsi, or Pimswaya dear, or Magana and the Munyamano, asai Abeye Krabehe, Ayakese. And yet a fun one or Beshe, and yet festival on Quentin or Sabaye. Business, Africa Business Investment Summit. Where you idea more do? African Business Investment Summit, never because of Maryland, no. And then fast whoopee, and never break Ghana. Or Pemsona Casa de Canada say. Semiko Eco Prema Santim Kuma. Na say, Omomu war Ghana Tifu Mantemu and Hochuma. Na Infasobena Santimania. Because pre and Kunimidi and Kain Koma Santim Kuma. Na man kai omo Western region and the Northern Ghana, Eastern Ghana. Nam fast for Ben Asantehene. Ebesa beda yankasiye so mine. Nti opemso America wa ben. Oba be pre ama Ghana. Oba be pre yeyo. Ene inkanko development impuntu ama Ghana nyina anya Asantefo nko a. Opemso ayade. Momiampene ne Ohene, unique competitor, unique competitors, will be or new compete, and so still, oh my God, or my gabo, or gabo near too much. Better or Ghana with mission. You go UK, no, you go Canada, no, you go America. I say, I hear no, Tibemuna, as woman by a cassia. So if was something will be a sensation. Asante no bi esuasu. And no hene bitinasia. No omode intakrasheshe abemu obeti. Ase okra impomponsu. Ni nyina omu sua frasante. Omu so hene bi atenase. Ni de intakrasheshe obeti se wontena ne nkyanya aya Asante fo amamre. Ohene bi no ye bi. From the west to the north to the south. Omu so hene bi atenase na de akonya bi esi ne nkyanya. Ohene no atenase na ne nkyanya. Ninsa bonkum so di akonya esipim so na bibisa omusu efra Asante ho busa sa ohene ne se di obedi na de ne su efri hwan ho so ohun se di obedi na de no e de bi atwa mfonyina osu efri hwan ho omu abakwasem mu da benda emre ben no mu tena ase hun se sa ohene tena se ya yetimi de akonya esi esipim so se emaye ohene ana se obi mfanta kranchanity entina ohene nkyai Asante na edi ahene no amana yefe. Asante na that's what a portray Ghana's true culture when it comes to kingdom and as a chieftaincy. Enti momyam no masse, momyam penesu ne yentina mom as one people. Or time be any. We respect every culture, we respect everybody. But sa hini we no eso. I will not brag, I will not exaggerate to say free. No. Why ye amna ye fe abeye kese. To say person we ye bia. Sua na obesua. Oma ya de asantefo na ya de. One thing straight, so oma ya de, bro. No bragging, bro. Man so twe bia nim nye fe no be de bia. E besere se Ghana for America. Ghana for USA, Northern America. E besere se mon fomu nyina mane munyam kwata akire. Omo UK omo Canada so ye mane ye fe pa. E se adurumo so Ghana for USA. Omo na nyentia Bowie University. Na mon kwata opem so achi. Mon ko bone chedom. Na Akwasidae within the 30th August 2026 no emaye krabehwe enye adutwam modi emoye mane ye fe Ghana for America mutimi ye mane ye kese kutu say bam mokota opem so achi na enye fe waba o wohen kese aba suman wura tumi wura asase so nyame wabedru nyame kese wabedru mokota na chi na Akwasidae no enye fe ka hu se ewa osede o ya Asantehene eya osede se o Asantehene shefa obedi Akwasidae nti o tena fia ye dey Ghana fo nyina momre na opemso Akwasidae obedi o US no enye kra behwe empanyina tena se o mecha show so ye bekoso the information bi e benya bia from the grounds Bowie University grounds hono in Maryland a fasha kesia or hinkesia beshano because I'm update if possible cry but I'm live transmission from the grounds until subscribe like and share this video so obia antenna sudin no nti DBC
ene ya share ya chas ndio sisi wa meeting nkwande meet chas show tie tuwa share no subscribe bia no no wagina so ye no wati asem ni ye na de bia to kotodwom